mailam a rá higan díat nach bhfuil achan duine in ar an sásta go bhfuil siad an seo. Tá mé an seo a rá nach mai le daoine in aireann na rudaí atá siad ag deanú ar fud an dóin.
Hanig men seo nó cheapama gur sé táhacht a really taco leis an cinne déine stocha tá le chuid den dóin seo a bhachtanas. Dúirt le brú stocha a chur ar na cineirí sin le gríomh ceart jingwailte a dhéanú le an bhachtanas agus le acras agus dearú chur le feibhne ar fud an dóin.
Everybody's way now, I tell you.
I've come with the G Not Welcome to Ireland group, which is actually a branch of it, which has come from Armagh City. We're here to raise awareness of the unjust policies of the GA.
Well, is tócha go raibh fáilte cortha cún ó cuistean san ná raibh sásta go raibh G8 ag tarlúntan sa counter se tuis na polisithe agus do réir mar atá ag tíiteach ar fud an domhan ag na tíre atá ag páirteach leis. So is tócha an príomhró tamsin so chun dlúfartíocht de léirú dus na daoine siúd nach bhfuil sásta.
We called a public meeting in Armagh City and we had a great attendance at the meeting, and from that the people said that they would like to send a delegation from Armagh and that Armagh would be represented to show the G8 that not everyone is welcome here to Fermanagh and that not everyone agrees with the policies that they're inflicting on the population of the world in terms of poverty, hunger and things that could easily be cured if the political will was there.
Well, Hennig mé héana agus frinshwaid am chuid cáite súsna seo seochtú bhfuil canrí náisiúnas mó ar dóna ligad seo agus iad héana atá geanas ar capitlas, iad héana atá rátal a capitlas is le ra agus mar sin tuid géirí a haspins go mar sin éan na chóir sin agus go déan na feibbaní ligad tugann scusan na timpolata an bachtalas milsanna tar fád a dóin agus an timpirlachas an dáhfuil na sásanna go fáil i réime dúscut na héireann sin se lig siar go déan an capitlas buinn se leis. Agus mar sin leis na feibbaní sin le go réiteach caiimiid dearú chuir leis a capitlas.
They may think that we have no alternative. I can say this. They represent destruction. They represent everything that's negative about human society. But we carry a new world in our hearts, and the ordinary people of this earth will build that world, a shining world, in contrast to the darkness and the shadows represented by the GA. We know a bit about internment without trial in this country. We know a bit about hunger strikes and forced feedings. The bloody Sunday march was a march against internment, and still all these years later, we have internment at Guantanamo Bay. Build a new world. Another world is possible. Another world is within our grasp. Down with the G8. Up with people.